Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds edifier Neo Dots available on Android devices? So I already installed the application what edifier offer for the earbuds, and if we open it, I already set up it so right here we can check available devices for this application. To do this, you need to click at the three lines at the right top and then go to TVS series. And right here we have earbuds. So our model is Neo Dots, and if the application available for these earbuds, you can find them at the device list. So we need to scroll down because right here I cannot see it. And right here we have Neo Dots. So my short answer is yes, this application is available for your earbuds. But if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to the application, you can check videos at this channel. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.